I've been very active in the private equity venture capital world in the last few years. So when I got in touch with Picroll, I immediately liked the fact that it meets the most basic need of every basketball player, which is find the nearest playground and organize a pickup game, which is sounds pretty simple, but it can be very challenging at times. And there are millions of basketball players out there, so I think the idea is very scalable in the future. And that's how I started playing basketball anyway, because you always start at the playground with your own friends, and that kind of community, that kind of culture is something that is pretty precious for I think every basketball player that come closer to the game. So
Mhm.
that's how it started, and now it's evolving into more of a community platform where community of basketball player and sort of can connect to each other or around Europe, around the world eventually.